Shri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zareen. Adhyay 4 OV 78. बाबांकडे पाहत पाहत म्हणावे यांनी होनी विनत, हाची तो मूर्त पंढरीनाथ, अनाथनाथ दयाळ. Gazing at Baba in all humility, he would say, "This is Pandharinath incarnate, protector of the destitute, the merciful." धोत्रे नेसुनी रेशमकानी, होतील काय संत कोणी, करू लागती हाडांचे मणी, रक्ताचे पाणी निज कष्टे. Can anyone become a saint by wearing dhotis with silken borders? To become a saint, what is required is hard penance till the bones wear out thin and blood becomes water. फुकाचा काय होईल देव, हाची हो प्रत्यक्ष पंढरीराव. जग वेडे रे वेडे हा दृढ भाव, ठेवुनी देव लक्षावा. Can one attain godhood without efforts? This is Pandhari Rao incarnate. The world is ignorant. Believing this firmly, perceive the divinity behind it. जया पंढरीनाथाची भक्ती, ऐसिया भगवत भक्ताची हे उक्ती. तेथ मज पामराचा अनुभव किती, श्रोता प्रतीती पहावी. These are the words of the great devotee who loved Pandharinath. Compared to him, what experience can a humble man like me boast of? Let the listener's own experiences be the best guide. नामस्मरणी मोठी प्रीती, अल्ला मालिक अखंड वदती. नाम सप्ताह करवुनी घेती, दिवस राती सन्मुख. Baba loved the Namasmarana. He himself constantly repeated the words, Allah Malik. He would arrange for a 7-day ceaseless chanting of the Naam in his presence, day and night. आज्ञा एकदा दासगणूला, नाम सप्ताह मांडावयाला. होता गणुदास वदती तयाला, विठ्ठल प्रकटला पाहिजे. On one occasion, Baba commanded Das Ganu to conduct such a 7-day chanting. When Das Ganu sought an assurance from Baba that then Vitthal should appear in person. Baba तव छातीस हात लाविती, दास गणूसी निक्षुनी वदती. हो हो प्रकटेल विठ्ठल मूर्ती, भक्त भावार्थी पाहिजे. Baba, laying his hand on his heart, assured him with confidence and told him firmly, "Yes, of course, Vitthal in person will appear." The devotee should be full of faith. डाकुरनाथाची डंकपुरी, अथवा विठ्ठलरायाची पंढरी, ती हीच रणछोड द्वारका नगरी, जाणे न दुरी पहावया. Dankapuri of Dakurnath or Pandhari of Vitthal or Dwarka Nagari of Ranchod are here only, in search of which you need not go a long distance. विठ्ठल काय एकांतीचा उठून, येणार आहे दुसरा कुठून. भक्त प्रेमे उत्कटून, येथेही प्रकटून राहील. Is Vitthal going to come from anywhere else, leaving his private quarters? He would appear here, springing up out of the intense devotion of the devotee. पुंडलिके वडिलांची सेवा, करुणी भुलविले देवाधिदेवा. पुंडलिकाच्या त्या भक्तिभावा, विटे विसावा घेतला. By serving his parents, Pundalik captivated the God of gods. Seeing Pundalik's devotion, The Lord stood on the brick and waited. असो होता सप्ताहाची समाप्ती, झाली म्हणती दासगणू प्रती, शिर्डीस विठ्ठल दर्शन प्राप्ती, ही घ्या प्रतीती बाबांची. After the seventh day of chanting, Baba's words came true, and it is said that Das Ganu had darshan of Lord Vitthal at Shirdi. Thus, Baba's prediction was experienced and verified.